Number 1.
1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,995, with approximately 140,000 miles, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. The truck has received extensive mechanical and cosmetic updates, including a new distributor with cap and rotor, new spark plugs, polished aluminum valve covers, and a full set of new gaskets covering the intake, exhaust, valve covers, oil filter housing, EGR, and exhaust pipe. Additional recent upgrades include new front shocks, idler arm, pitman arm, inner and outer tie rods, lower ball joints, engine oil cooler lines, a new power steering pump, muffler, intermediate exhaust pipe, and a set of 4 new tires. Routine maintenance has also been thoroughly addressed, with brake and coolant flushes, a new thermostat, fresh engine oil, and rear differential service completed.
Number 2.
1976 GMC Sierra 2500, price $8,500, solid and well-preserved classic truck that has traveled approximately 100,000 miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, offering a smooth driving experience as it runs, drives, and stops properly. This truck features a striking blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, maintaining a cohesive and vintage look. It retains its original paint, which has developed an excellent natural patina over time, adding to its classic appeal. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong 454 big block V8 engine, paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, along with an added overdrive kit that enhances drivability. Structurally, the truck remains in very good condition, with solid floors and only minimal rust present in typical areas such as the cab corners and bedsides. Overall, it is a straight, solid example of a classic Sierra that performs well on the road while preserving its original character.
Number 3.
2000 Chevrolet S10, price $4,450, presented as a solid and well-maintained pickup truck, showing 185,000 miles on the odometer and equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a gold exterior with a clean gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck offers a classic and practical look. It is powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 engine paired with a 2WD drivetrain, providing dependable performance for daily driving or light-duty work. The truck comes with fully functioning air conditioning and heating systems, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions. It remains mostly in stock condition, preserving its original character, with the only modification being a set of wire wheels. However, the original factory wheels are also included with the vehicle.
Number 4.
1997 Ford F350, price $9,850, four-wheel drive diesel truck with approximately 339,000 miles, finished in black with a burgundy interior and equipped with an automatic transmission and the legendary 7.3L engine. It has been well maintained and upgraded, featuring new wheels and tires, a recently replaced transmission,
and a newer ECM and injector driver module with under 1,000 miles.
The suspension has been refreshed with new shocks, front springs, and an axle flip kit for improved ride quality. Additional work includes new ball joints, axle seals, front brake lines, and refreshed rear brakes. Performance upgrades include a downpipe, large air intake system, and oil bypass system. The left side glow plugs and valve cover gasket have been replaced, and parts for the right side are included. The truck also comes with extra oil, filters, and miscellaneous spare parts, making it a solid and well-equipped heavy-duty pickup.
Number 5.
2001 Ford Ranger, price $5,950, showing 153,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a strong 4.0L V6 engine, paired with a capable 4x4 drivetrain. The truck features a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives well with no known issues. It comes with a clean title and no accident history, indicating it has been properly cared for. All factory power features are in working condition, including power windows, power door locks, a tilt steering wheel, and cruise control. Inside, the truck is equipped with a CD stereo system, along with fully functional air conditioning and heating, ensuring a comfortable cabin in various weather conditions. The tires are reported to be in good shape, with approximately 80% tread remaining.
Number 6.
1995 Ford F150, price $6,800, with approximately 181,000 miles on its last recorded reading. It features a manual transmission and runs on gasoline, with both the exterior and interior finished in blue, giving it a consistent and classic look. According to the current owner, the truck has never experienced any issues with starting, running, high-speed performance, or shifting, indicating solid overall reliability. The heater performs exceptionally well, while the air conditioning works intermittently and may simply require a new filter. The speedometer and odometer recently stopped functioning, which is why the mileage reflects the last known reading. This truck comes equipped with a single cab and bench seat configuration, recently passed emissions testing, and holds a clean title.
Number 7.
1998 Ford Ranger, price $3,800, well-maintained and exceptionally clean 4x4 pickup, finished in a classic white exterior with a gray interior. It has traveled 172,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and dependable driving experience. This truck truly stands out for its condition. Its body, frame, and undercarriage are described as spotless, reflecting careful ownership and consistent maintenance over the years. It runs and drives great, with all components functioning as they should, making it a reliable option for both daily use and light-duty work. In addition, the vehicle comes with a clean title and is equipped with good tires, further adding to its readiness for the road.
Number 8.
1999 Dodge Dakota, price $3,500, clean and well-maintained classic pickup with 201,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a green exterior paired with a gray interior. Powered by the Magnum 318 V8 engine with 4x4 capability, this gasoline truck is both strong and versatile. It includes useful features such as a bed liner, matching canopy, and custom brush guard, while the interior remains in excellent condition with no seat damage. Recent maintenance within the past year includes a full front-end rebuild, control arms, tie rods, and wheel hubs, along with a new BrakeMaster cylinder and all-around new brakes. As expected for its age, it has minor issues, including non-working heat and AC and a small oil leak, but overall it remains a solid and reliable truck.
Number 9.
1974 Ford F250, price $4,950. It is equipped with a 390 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, running on gasoline, and features power steering and power disc brakes for improved drivability. The truck comes in a brown exterior with a matching brown interior. It starts up reliably, runs smoothly, and performs well on the road, with proper shifting and braking.
The engine produces a pleasing sound thanks to dual glass pack exhausts.
However, there is a noticeable exhaust leak on the driver's side manifold, and while the exhaust pipes were previously installed, the workmanship is somewhat rough and could benefit from refinement for a cleaner appearance, though it does not affect functionality. In terms of condition, the truck has minor rust issues, including a small rust spot on the passenger side floor and a very small hole on the driver's side.
Number 10.
1985 Ford F250, price $3,300, classic pickup that has traveled approximately 170,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and features a green exterior that complements its vintage appeal. Powered by a 460 non-catalyst engine paired with a 4-on-the-floor setup, the truck runs and drives well, offering a strong and reliable performance. Recent maintenance includes newer brakes, fresh oil, and a clean air filter, ensuring it remains in good running condition. It also comes with brand new spark plugs included. The vehicle holds a clean title, making it a straightforward purchase for the next owner. However, it will require new tires to be fully road-ready.